Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing Magic at Your Door stuff. It's kind of a sad day though, because it's the last time we're going to get this specific box. Want to see which one it is? It's the bronze box. So, we decided that we don't need to do gold and bronze. We're just going to stick with gold, and free up a little bit of video time for other boxes that are coming out and stuff. So, and one-time boxes, and maybe we'll do a Magic AF, or who knows what we're going to do. But this particular Magic at Your Door bronze box is coming up right now. Alright, let's do it. I'm a little sad. Got a dude on there, dressed up as the Beast. Alright, you ready? This box is $74.99. Okie dokie. Ooh, lots of confetti in here. Alright, so we've got their monthly newsletter, which I will boop. Talking about how you can buy directly from their website for like lounge flies and stuff like that. Has the color-coded prices on there so you can figure out what your value is. If it doesn't have a regular price tag, it will either have a color code or specifically on here, like Metal Earth is in here, birthstone jewelry, ear headbands, packing confetti, priceless. Let's get to that. And it talks about the pin that was running late, but looks amazing, and that's for gold boxes, or you can put it on your wish list for other boxes, but it counts as value instead of just getting thrown in. That was a lot to talk about. I see a Jim Short. I might have thrown something. Alright. Bronze pouch. We will save that. Oh, we've got a new card holder for Mary. She's gonna like this one. Haunted Mansion card holder that has a hologram on it. I don't know if that's gonna... You can kind of see it, yeah. I will throw that in the photo box. Boop. So it holds, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots on the front, and then a place for your license on the back. That is $14.99 in the parks. Nice. I haven't even seen this one before. Oh. It's a Metal Earth of Hollywood Tower of Terror. How cool is that? And it's one of the color ones too. That is super cool. I will put the package in the photo box, because I probably won't get to it right away, but I have done quite a few of them now. I've done the Mickey Fun Wheel, I've done Haunted Mansion, the entrance sign, a bunch of them. I really like them. And they look really cool when they're lit up and on display. Nice. That's $21.99. Looking forward to doing that. And finally, the red box. Yep. All right. Ready? Look at these little guys. This is from our wish list. Jack and Gus hide in a teacup. Look at those guys. Their little tails. I'll throw that in the photo box so you can get a better peek. Boop. I don't know how they paint down inside there, or unless they paint them first and then drop them in, or they must do that. Otherwise it'd be really difficult. Super cool though. All right. That's a good box. So... Oh, yeah. Almost forgot. That's my last one. Still get the gold one, though. Getting there. It's a Simba Pen, but it's like super 3D. It's really cool, and it's really thick. That is silver. I'll take a better picture in the photo box. Boop. Silver is $9.99. All right, very nice. Way to go out with a bang. So, I'll total all that up. So again, it costs $74.99. This one was still free shipping, but that's over now. It's still very reasonable though. So the total value of this box, boop, right there, it's worth it. Again, I'm not stopping it because I don't like it. I'm just stopping it so we can try other stuff, so we can show you some different boxes and you know what to try and what not to try. So there you have it. All right, if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.